new camera angle, new mic setup, and 80,000 subscribers. What? That's insane. Almost the same as using your idle screws, cruise control, but man, I'm so thankful for 80,000. That's actually insane. The crazy part is I feel like more than half of that is in the last couple of months, but I know that 90% of that came from my first video. Somehow, the first video I ever posted, shout out to Jagger for telling me to post it, but it got 70 million views! 70 million! It didn't happen overnight, but man, I'm just in such awe. I put so much like time and effort into stunt riding, and I feel like I have a decent platform to, I don't know, man, post videos too or whatever. But I'm gonna stay consistent with it. I'm gonna try to shoot for 2 uploads a week, even though it's getting cold. I got the misguided windbreaker on. I got the Carhartt on underneath it. I need to get some heated grips. Uh-oh. Need to turn down that cruise control. Damn, 20 cents off a gallon and a $2 discount? That's a free tank of gas. Tank, it's like a gallon. I bet I won't even, look, this is gonna be free. I suck. I feel like my idle is mad low for this. Oh, it sounds like it. Oh well, that's just an excuse because I suck. I think the coolest thing about that video, my first one, oh shit. Every couple of months it like resurfaces. There's so many people that have reposted it, but 2024 is next year. And that means it's an election. I think the video is gonna keep going. I mean, I remember when it hit like 1 million views, and that was the craziest thing, and to think that it's at 70 million. Butt-ass circles, man. Oh, that's why we're practicing. This is the Strip in Columbus, man, the airport. Huh. Maybe I'll wait till I get through this little traffic section. Man, this is where we practice. It's been so long. We need to bring all the homies out and have a fucking lot day down here. My idle cranked way higher now. There we go. About stalled. Maybe they want to see what I'm doing though. Let's see how this jump to spreader feels. Need to go a little bit faster. I wasn't going fast enough. Just because I said I wasn't going fast enough doesn't mean you have to go fast to do these tricks. Oh. Slow it down. Jump to C-stander! Jump to spreader! Nope. Okay, get in this center lane right here. These back roads you can't really tell on camera, but they're crowned like ass. It's like my tire. Hell yeah, man. 2 years ago, that was balance point. Ha! Fourth. There we go. Whoa. Be smooth. You can't be all rough with that throttle and that brake, man. Gotta be smooth with it. Ha! What are those? Guys, my God! That throttle control, baby. We ain't even using the brakes. One of my earliest videos of, like, you know when you first start to do wheelies and you don't have too many videos because you're kind of butt ass, but the video like that I showed to people was me ripping the Daytona on this road. Ah, bro, it's so funny. Let me try to hit that spreader right here. Uh-oh, there's a car coming. I laugh when they ask if I'm busy. I wonder, can I do this whole bend? I think if I put it in second. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I had that. Hi, doggy. Whoa. I think it's fairly normal for, you know, just out cruising around and you go check out like the rich neighborhoods and, you know, the chicken rooster or whatever. Do you think rich people drive around and like look at poor people's houses like we look at theirs? If I had a driveway like that was a circle, bro, every day out there. I feel like these are the kind of neighbors that wouldn't let that shit slide. Treat this road like a racetrack. 80K is like, to think about 80,000 people, like I can't picture anything like that. But man, how many you need to buy you a lake house like this? Hey, look at that. What is that? It don't even look like a house. I think a neighborhood like this could use a degenerate like me living here, so that way me and my friends can come and burn the block down. Nah, the HOA definitely wouldn't let someone like me live here. Look at that. That's so cool. Wow. One of the track homies, I guess, hold on, I want to say the track homie, shout out Dom, follow him on Instagram right here. But Dom lives, I'm not gonna tell you where he lives within 15 minutes from here, definitely a rideable distance. I was gonna slide by his crib and say what's up. He said, aren't you cold? Nah bro, I'm about that life. Can you really say you're a stunner if you scared away by some cold? Oh shit. How about I get scared into my own lane? One of the comments on my crash video was someone saying that my bike doesn't weigh 400 or 500 pounds or whatever. I'm gonna take it to the scale. All right, 1, 2, 3, come on, let's go. 280, 460, 600. I weigh 180, so that's 420 on the bike. Honestly, 420 pounds for a steel frame, cages, clip-ons, all that bullshit, that's not that bad.